My research topic is web-based VR engine, making the development of virtual reality software online and easy, with an assessment of user experience in VR museum. Due to the immersive and interactive features of VR software in recent years, it has become more and more widely used in many industries, such as film, television, education, and training. The development of VR software still has a high technical threshold. Developers need to have a professional background and be proficient in programming languages, which greatly limits the usage of VR applications. The first objective of my project was to make the development of VR software easier so that everyone can program their software in a language that we speak. A web-based VR engine was developed based on Babylon.js, and I mainly developed the mathematical logic translation part of this engine, which translates the mathematical logic expressed in human languages into JavaScript. In order to analyze the logic behind the user's input, two things need to be extracted from the expression: variables and the logical expression. For example, if a person writes if the key W is pressed and released immediately, the drone should be moved forward 20 pixels. The engine will examine the sentence with recursion and extract the variable drone position and logical expressions if and move forward. A variable drone position will be created automatically, and the sentence if W pressed, drone position plus and get 20 will be generated. During the pandemic period, a lot of things were transferred online. VR technology can create a three-dimensional simulation for users through software, which greatly enhance users' interactive experience. Therefore, the second objective was to examine the effectiveness of VR technology in educational fields and tourism industry. Both educational and ornamental VR museums were developed, and a questionnaire that could test users' experience in VR software was answered by the users. The VR museum developed for educational purposes was used as a part of the learning materials for 6 classes of students in Zhejiang University. A test was given to the students after their study. According to the statistical results obtained from the questionnaire, people had really good educational, aesthetic, and escape experience in the VR museum. The entertainment, social, and visitor experience weren't as good as the others, but still above the average level comparing to the traditional museums. According to the score students obtained in the test, the majority of the students improved their grades after they used the museum. However, a few students showed a huge decline in their grades. In conclusion, VR technology is applicable in the tourism industry. However, more research needs to be done before applying it into educational field.